Alrighty, our next presentation of the day, one of my favorite animals, the gray wolf, Kelly Freyman.
Its scientific name is Canis lupus, and then the kingdom is Animalia, phylum is Chordata, class is Mammalia, order is Carnivora, family is Canidae or something like that, genus is Canis, and then species is Lupus, and then animals that are closely related to it are the Manitoba wolf, the red wolf, the Alaskan tundra wolf, and then the British Columbia wolf. And then an average gray wolf is, their body is like 5 feet, and then their tail is just 2, so it's a total of 7 feet. And then wolves, they resemble German shepherds. So, and then their male and female differences is the male weighs 60 to 100 pounds, and then is 5 to 6.5 feet in size, and then the female weighs 70 to 145 pounds, and then is 4.5 to 6 feet in size. And then their wolf range is it's the yellow part, right down there. It's like all the yellow and everything. I don't know how recent this is, so it could have either expanded or could have decreased or something like that. And then their habitat, they live in forests, grasslands, and then the tundra. And they don't hibernate. So when they're in the tundra, they don't Then the gray wolf, they are increasing, and they are critically endangered as said by the ICUN Red List. And then their litter is 4 to 6 pups. So there's 4 and then 6 in that. And then the gray wolf pups mature between 2 to 4 years. And then pups is actually what you call a baby wolf and everything. And then it's not just the mother takes care of them, it's the entire pack. So yeah. And then their longevity and mortality, their lifespan is 8 to 13 years, and that's just in the wild, and then they live about 15 years in captivity. And then their diet, they eat deer, elk, and moose unless they can't find any, so that would be mainly in the winter or something like that, or if humans hunted them too much in them. Then they eat rabbits, beavers, birds, and rodents. Their predator relationship is their only threat is humans, so we kill them pretty much. Their relationship with humans, humans are not the biggest fan of wolves, and at one point in the world, they wanted them to be extinct. Fun facts is that wolves don't howl. They like to howl when it's light outside, which is normally when it's a full moon. And then when a wolf wants to challenge another wolf, it will growl or lay its ears back on its head. A playful wolf dances and bows, and then they bark as a warning. And then they're the largest animal with the canine family, and there are 2,600 gray wolves in the United States, and only 2,000 of them live in Minnesota. And then that's where we're excited. And yeah, and.
Cool. How many of them are there estimated to be?
I don't know, because the West websites I looked at, they're kind of increasing. Like they're making a good comeback because they are endangered and everything. But I'm not totally sure. Well, that's just how many there are in the United States. But in the entire world, I'm not totally sure how many there are. So, Justin,
How long do they live?
how long do they live? I already said that.
You did?
Yeah.
Sorry, my phone was mid to
8 to 13 years unless in captivity, then they live 15 years.
Okay.
Mr. Mark?
What kind of seasonal patterns do they show?
They don't hibernate, but they do live, like, as I said, they live in, like, the tundra and everything, and they are warm-blooded animals, so it does, can, like, regulate the body temperature and everything, so, yeah.
And then second question, go ahead a couple slides. The human relationships. You just use arrow keys, there you go. Okay.
Here we go.
So you said at one point in the world humans wanted them to be extinct. Describe why.
Because because at one point in the world they really liked them because of the myth of how Rome was created with Romulus and Remus. So they decided, and they really liked them at that point, and then they thought of them as a threat because of the whole deer and elk, and humans wanted them for themselves instead of having the wolves eat them and everything. So.
And then one more, and then I'll let follow up. Has there ever been any attacks of wolves on humans?
What they did was, not really. Like, I found this, it's actually in my English paper. It says that it's a better chance that a human could be attacked by a meteor instead of being attacked by a wolf. So, like, well, not attacked, but hit by a meteor and everything. So, yeah. Justin?
Why do they live longer in captivity?
I'm not sure. It's probably because in the wild there's many diseases that can be caused by the food that they eat, and so in zoos and stuff they make sure that they get the proper nutrients and everything. So yeah.
Any other